Diane's debutante backseat of Jackie's car. Sucking on chili dog outside the taste freeze. Diane sitting on Jackie's lap, got his hands between her knees. Jackie said, hey Diane, let's run off behind the shady trees. Dribble off those Bobby Brooks, let me do what I please. Say, oh yeah, life goes on long after the thrill of living is gone. Say, oh yeah, life goes on long after the thrill of living is gone. They walk on. His back, flexes his thoughts for the moment, scratches his head and does his best change name. Well then there Diane gotta run off to the city. Diane says, baby, you ain't missing nothing. And Jackie say, oh yeah, life goes on long after the thrill of living is gone. Yes, somewhere in from out of town, just looking for some fun. For a couple of $1,000 more, yeah, I can be.
K102, #1 for new country
in the best variety.
Thank you well.
Yeah, provision. Force majeure is basically an act of God, which cancels everything. For example, let's say you have a business and you owe.
Oh, I hope I can talk. Well, my brother's on the wall, and people even now don't seem to respect what the court sees.
I was reading
Robert Redford hair, but you walked across my heart like it. Every time I'm with you, baby, I can't believe it's true. When you lay in my arms, you do the things you do. How much love you. I wanna kiss you all over again. I wanna kiss you all over.